Hey everyone, I'm Dominique and I was born in Montreal, Canada. And after school, I pursued a life in music, working as a singer-songwriter, and that took me to New York for many years. And in 1994, I moved to London. But after a decade in London, my focus and interest had really moved on to healing and spirituality. So I took a reflexology course. And on that course, something interesting happened. One of my fellow students put a book in my hand and said, "This is very important, you must read this." And it was a book on the metamorphic technique, which is a much more spiritual and esoteric version of reflexology. And it turned out that the founder of this work lived only an hour from me in South London, and he became my mentor. So I went on to train to teach metamorphic technique, and I did that for a decade, teaching all around the world. During that time, I was exchanging sessions with a friend and colleague, Ella Owen, who's an amazing kinesiologist. And we started getting insights about how we could work using our consciousness to transform the energy that creates our reality. So we would get together and meditate. And we had these insights that were well above our understanding of reality. So we had to use her kinesiology to say, well, is this real or are we just imagining things? But it turned out to be real. So together we built this system called Sacred Life Alchemy, and we appeared at conferences, we made body alchemy programs, we taught workshops, and that lasted for 5 years until I decided to move to Portugal and Spain. And I now live here in Spain, and a new evolution of the work occurred, which is the training program. So I founded the new Earth Alchemy Academy, and I train people to become practitioners, alchemical practitioners. So if you would like to have a chat with me and see if any of this work is in alignment for you, just get in touch and we'll have a little chat and see if it's a fit. All right, guys, lots of love.